Students, let me tell you before starting your PPTs, few of you have not submitted, not your copies. दोनों चीजें नहीं आई, neither PPTs nor copies. Kindly submit your PPTs as well as your notebooks for checking, as we are going to give you the marks for that. Once the list will be submitted, then we will not entertain anything. Right? Yes, beta. Hope it is clear to all. Prerna, how can we do revision of chapter 11? We have started front with magnets. Later on, after that we can start with. Actually, बच्चे light shadow reflection का I had taken the test. This week it is test of fun with magnets and getting to know plants. Right? So इस वजह से getting to know plants start at your home. मैंने fun with magnets start कर दिया because वो हमने PT3 में किया हुआ है. Is that clear? ताकि आप फन विद मैग्नेट स्कूल में हो जाए और गेटिंग टू नो प्लांट्स हम घर में कर सके. उसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट कर देंगे. राइट, लेट अस स्टार्ट. बच्चे, बिफोर मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, कैन एनीबडी टेल मी व्हाट इज अ मैग्नेट? कुड एनीबडी टेल व्हाट इज अ मैग्नेट? हाँ जी, निश्चय, ऐसे हाथ खड़ा किया हुआ है. What is a magnet? I couldn't hear you. No. Yes, पवन. क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? प्रणव. प्रणव. अर्जुन. Sit down. Yes, Suhana.
The special kinds of material that have the property to attract some materials towards itself are called magnets.
Right, very right answer. These are the special kind of materials that have special property to attract some materials towards it. Such substances are known as magnets. Magnets. Examples are, कौन कौन से मटेरियल अट्रैक्ट होते हैं? आयरन, कोबाल्ट, निकल. These are special materials that have a unique property to attract some special kind of materials towards it. Iron, cobalt, nickel. Now, बच्चे, there are some materials that get attracted towards the magnet, and there are some materials that do not get attracted towards the magnet. Based on this property of magnet to attract the materials, these materials can be divided into two categories: magnetic materials, non-magnetic materials. Got it? Magnetic materials are those materials which are get attracted by the magnet. Con? Where is your mask? Wear it. Wear it. Bring the soft one. Okay, but you have to wear. Magnetic materials are those materials which get attracted towards the magnet. Right? Example है iron, cobalt, nickel. Non-magnetic, which do not get attracted towards the magnet. Example is wood, paper, rubber. Right? Plastic, glass. Wood तो है ही है. Is that clear? चलिए, हाँ जी, इसमें कोई डाउट है? चलो, नेक्स्ट है डिस्कवरी ऑफ मैग्नेट, मींस हाउ मैग्नेट वाज डिस्कवर्ड। इसके अलावा और कोई बच्चा? हम PT3 में ये चैप्टर कर चुके हैं, डिस्कवरी ऑफ मैग्नेट। यस हर्षिया, किसी को नहीं आता? आई डोंट नो आपने पेपर्स कैसे दिए हैं।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा।
Ma'am, there was one shepherd named Magnus. Ma'am, he lived in ancient Greece, and he used to take his goats to graze the goats, and he usually take a stick with him to control them. And at the end of the stick, there was an iron sole. One day he kept that stick on one rock, and after some time he tried to pull it, but he couldn't pull because the stick was being attracted by the rock, and rock is the natural magnet. He tried to pull again, but it was so difficult. Some more people also tried, but they were not able to. Then they discovered that. Then they came to know that this is
magnet. This rock was
magnet.
earlier named as magnetite. क्या नाम दिया गया इसको? हाँ जी, इसको कोई अच्छे से रिवाइज्ड फॉर्म में, एनीबडी वांट टू टेल अबाउट द डिस्कवरी इन द रिवाइज्ड फॉर्म? धनवी, हाँ जी, स्टार्ट, स्पीक लाउडली। No, you have to write the answer. How will you write in Hindi? Speak in English. Use small sentences, no problem. Arjun, stop talking. There was a shepherd named Magnus. He lived in Greece in a town named Magnesia. Right? He was a shepherd. He used to graze his sheep. Right? He usually carried a wooden stick with him. Right? That wooden stick had a iron sole at its bottom. One day, accidentally, he kept the stick on a piece of rock. After some time, he tried to pull that stick, but he couldn't. That was attached to the rock. Later on, it was discovered that this rock has a special ability to attract some kind of materials, and it was named as magnetite, perhaps after the name of a boy. Right? Is that clear to all? Perhaps after the name of a boy, magnetite. From there, natural magnets were discovered. Is that clear to all? Is that clear? Now, there are two types of magnets. There are natural magnets, artificial magnets. What are the two types of magnets? Magnets are of two types. Natural magnets. What are our natural magnets? Which are made naturally, where human interference is not there. What are natural magnets? Those magnets which exist naturally without human interference. Right? Is that clear? Then after that, बच्चे, natural magnets are weak magnets. They are not very strong magnets. This is very important point. Natural magnets are weak magnets. What are the examples of natural magnets? Rocks. This natural magnet it exists in stars, planets, meteorites. Right? Planets बोल दिया हमने. Is that clear? Now coming to artificial magnets. Who will tell what are artificial magnets? कुछ समझ नहीं आया? Raise your hands. तू चुप कर 1 मिनट. Raise your hands. Yes, कनिष्क. थोड़ा हैंड ऊपर करते हैं. हाँ. Artificial magnets are the magnets made by man or humans. They are strong magnets as compared to natural magnets. Clear? They are found in different shapes. They are found in different, yeah, there are different shapes that are created. What are the different shapes? Sit down. Cylindrical, bar magnet, horseshoe, and ball ended. हाँ जी. Can anybody draw the shapes? आ जाओ जशन. Draw the shapes बेटा. Yes, Bhavya, is there any doubt?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम मैम मेरे को ना आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
बच्चे किसी को आवाज नहीं आ रही मेरी? आपको नहीं पूछा. बच्चे, am I audible? Okay, okay. Thank you. Getting the messages. Thank you. Bhavya, there might be some internet errors from your side. Thank you so much. Hanji. This is cylindrical magnet. You can draw these side by side. Very good. Then bar magnet. कौन सा ड्रॉ कर रहे हो? बॉल एंडेड. ड्रॉ इट. ड्रॉ बॉल एंडेड. ये ठीक नहीं है. इधर बनाओ. बॉल एंडेड है बट इट डजंट मीन हमने कुछ और ही बना देना. बस यहाँ पे ये बॉल्स है लाइक दिस. ठीक है. दिस इज बॉल एंडेड. आगे बनाइए बार मैग्नेट. अगले पेज पे बना लो. अच्छा बन नहीं रहा. उल्टा यू बनाना है. हॉर्स शू में क्या है? पहले मेक 2 लाइन्स. इसको ज्वाइन कर दिया. देन अगेन राइट. नो. ये नॉर्थ, ये साउथ. राइट. हियर दिस इज नॉर्थ, दिस इज साउथ. हियर इट इज नॉर्थ साउथ. इसको आप चाहे ना भी बनाओ. हमने सिलेंडर थोड़ी दिखाना है, शेप दिखाना है. Is that clear? Are the shapes clear to all? Very nicely he has drawn. Very good. Draw it in your notebooks also. Hurry up. Draw it in your notebooks. कहाँ है NS? North, south, two poles of a magnet. नहीं, थोड़ा सा ये ठीक करने वाला है, काफी हद तक गलत है. पेन ला, पेन लेके आ. कोई बात नहीं, फेयर कॉपी है तो अच्छी बात है. Bring the pen. ठीक है. ये हो गया. ठीक है. ये इंथर ऐसे बनाते हैं. हाँ, इतना बड़ा बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके. और ये बाहर निकाला करो, लेबलिंग इसके अंदर नहीं करनी, डबल पेज पे बना लिया करो. यस बच्चे, ड्रॉ इट, हरी अप. आफ्टर दैट वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड. ठीक है बेटा. राइट. ये बार एंडेड ठीक बनाओ. ये मैंने ऐसे बनाया है. बॉल एंडेड भी ठीक करो थोड़ा सा. नॉर्थ साउथ कहीं नहीं लिखा. ये देखो मैंने ठीक भी करा सिलेंड्रिकल, आपने नहीं करा. यू हैव ड्रॉन निश्चय. हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स, एक ना छोटी सी स्टोरी है, शायद आपको पता नहीं है. चलो पहले मुझे बताइए, व्हाई मैग्नेट इज कॉल्ड लीडिंग स्टोन. डू यू नो मैग्नेट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज लीडिंग स्टोन. व्हाई सो? व्हाई मैग्नेट इज कॉल्ड अ लीडिंग स्टोन? यस सुहाना. नो वन वांट्स टू टेल. ओनली जशन नोज. इसने पढ़ाई करी है सिर्फ, और किसी को कुछ नहीं आता. यस सुहाना. Why magnet is called?
Magnet is called the leading stone because of its directive property.
If it comes in 3 marks, how will you tell?
Ma'am, directive property means that the magnet will always point towards north-south direction, and it is used by sailors also.
Yes. अगर मैं इसको अच्छे से explain करूं तो कैसे करूंगी? Magnet is known as leading stone because when it is suspended freely, it always points towards north-south direction. By knowing the north-south direction, we can judge east and west. It means this stone is leading us to the different directions. That is why it is known as leading stone. Have you got what I am saying? Is that clear to all? Hanji Prerna, I am going to repeat. You can note down. Magnet is called leading stone because when it is suspended freely, you need not to write. It can point towards north-south direction. By knowing north-south direction, we will come to know about east-west also. In this way, we are able to judge the directions. Magnet is leading us. It is telling us the directions. That is why it is known as leading stone. Due to this directive property of magnet, it is used in compass, magnetic compass, right? It is used by sailors also. This stone is used by sailors also, right? Bache, you know about scientist Archimedes? Have you ever heard? क्यों क्यों नहीं हियर किया? फिफ्थ में कराया गया है ना आपको, आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल करवाया गया था, बायंसी वाला करवाया गया था कि नहीं? क्यों? फिफ्थ की बुक में था कि आप अपवर्ड थ्रस्ट ऑफ वाटर इज नोन एज बायंट फोर्स, तो वो बायंसी थी, दैट वाज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ बायंसी, डेफिनेशन ऑफ बायंसी, तो उसको आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है? चलो, आर्किमिडीज वाज अ साइंटिस्ट, राइट? तो वो ग्रीस का साइंटिस्ट था, ग्रीक साइंटिस्ट. What happened? Once a time there was a war between his country and some other country. So what he did, with the help of this leading stone, he collected all the nails, कीले जो होती हैं, of enemy's ship. उसने सारी निकाल ली. He removed all the nails from the ship. As a result, the ship sank in the water, and the enemy was defeated. Right? With the help of this stone. This is just a side story, nothing special. It is बात अकेले की नहीं है, बात है the brain, the science was applied that led to the history of war. Is that clear? Is that clear to all? This was just a side story. After this, बच्चे, let us start with the properties of magnet. I will explain all the properties tomorrow, but today we will write all the properties. Properties start करने से पहले, if any of you is having any kind of doubt from all these things, you can ask me right now. Please raise your hands if you have any doubt. You can ask me. Otherwise, I will be writing properties of magnet. Properties of magnet. Do you have any doubt in the previous things? Artificial magnet is found in different shapes. These are not the examples, right? Shapes are horseshoe magnet, cylindrical magnet, ball-ended magnet, and bar magnet. Right? Is that clear? Is that clear to all? Coming to properties. मैं फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी लिखूंगी, डायरेक्टिव प्रॉपर्टी. Directive property. Second is attractive property. Then, like poles, repel. Unlike poles, attract. Right? Then next is magnetic strength is maximum at poles. Magnetic strength is maximum at poles. Then poles always exist in pairs. Note down in your copies. हाँ जी कनव, यस कनव,
यस मैम।
बोलिए बेटा। क्या कह रहे हो आप?
मैम कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी?
हाथ तेरा खड़ा हुआ है, यू आर आस्किंग मी समथिंग। क्या पूछ रहा है बेटा? कोई डाउट है आपको? बाय मिस्टेक खड़ा हो गया, भूल गया उसने क्या पूछना था। कोई बात नहीं, इट हैपन समटाइम्स। हाँ जी, किसके? नेचुरल मैग्नेट्स की मैग्नेटिक पावर कम क्यों होती है, यही क्वेश्चन है आपका बच्चे। ये मैग्नेटिक पावर आती कैसे है? जब मैग्नेटिक फील्ड डेवलप होता है। मैग्नेटिक फील्ड हम आर्टिफिशियली तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की हेल्प से डेवलप कर लेते हैं, हाई इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की वजह से, ठीक है। बट इन केस ऑफ नेचुरल मैग्नेट्स इट ऑलवेज डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट। चार्जेस वगैरह हमेशा एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते। तो जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बनता है वो थोड़ी बहुत और फोर्सेस, एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस की वजह से बनता है। थोड़ा बहुत आयरन की अपनी प्रॉपर्टी होती है, इस वजह से वो वीक और टेम्पररी होता है, राइट। बट जो हम आर्टिफिशियल बनाते हैं, इट इज क्रिएटेड, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज क्रिएटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, तो इट इज ऑफ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, राइट। हाँ जी, एनी डाउट टू एनीवन? यू कैन आस्क मी राइट नाउ। If anybody wants to say anything, most welcome. If you have any doubt,